Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video we will be talking about Sony TV blinking red light issues. So if you have the same exact question, why my Sony TV red light is blinking, if red light is blinking on your Sony TV, it is not working properly. Uh, it means that an error has been detected by the TV. The specific error usually depends on number of times the light flashes before repeating again. This can range from a simple software issue to minor hardware issue to much more technical hardware faults in the power supply board or main board in line with blinking red light codes. For example, if the light flashes 6 times, it is likely to be backlight issue, faulty main board, power supply board or inverter board. Although the meaning of the blinking codes sometimes also vary with models, most of these issues can be fixed with same set of procedures. On this page, we are going to be guiding you step by step on how to troubleshoot the procedures. So how to fix it? So first of all is your power cycle of your TV. You can fix Sony TV red flashing light issue by simply power cycle your TV. It takes less than 2 minutes to do. The steps are: simply unplug your TV from the outlet, leave it unplugged for 60 seconds. While unplugged, press the power button on your TV for 30 seconds. Plug the TV back into the power source. The red light should stop blinking and your TV should start working normally. Now, the point to be noted here is that for a TV projection, TV that uses an internal lamp, wait 5 minutes after turning off the TV. Yeah. And then you need to allow it to cool before plugging it back. Yeah. So if that doesn't work, make sure to perform a factory reset, and then you have some more solutions, like for example reset Sony TV without remote control. You can also reset it without your controller. You can simply follow a set of steps. Make sure to check out these steps for yourself. And after that, we have disconnect all connected devices. Yeah, so make sure to disconnect everything. If you have some speakers maybe connected, some peripheral devices, some mouse, keyboard, or some USBs, make sure to disconnect everything, as that they could be causing some glitches as well. And yeah, you can also check for software updates. So warm up the TV through a vent. So sometimes overheating issues could be happening. Make sure to simply cool your TV and place it somewhere that is not that much heated. So yeah, I hope these set of tips help you simply fix the issue, and if not, make sure to comment down below. I will reply to or at least try to reply each one of you to fix the issue. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.